Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to get Mastercard with Payoneer. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming future videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, you need to open the Payoneer, and when you are inside the Payoneer, then you just need to log in and sign up. And after you have logged in or signed up successfully, this is the interface that will be shown to you. So in order to get the Mastercard, so you can just go in the Payoneer cards. So as you can know that these cards are Payoneer's commercial Mastercard, where you can set up cards in different currency where you will have more transactions. So if you have business in United States, you will create a United States Mastercard of the Payoneer and you can get or done the transaction very easily, and their conversion rate will be also very low as everything is done by Payoneer itself. So in order to get the card, you can just click on the order a card and you need to follow the steps provided by the Payoneer, and if you are verified, then you will get the card successfully in the Payoneer. And you can also get the official plastic card for the ATM uses provided to you by Payoneer, and it will take about a month or something in order to receive the physical card. So this is how you can easily get Payoneer's official commercial Mastercard. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.